Okay, we are at 1574 West 3rd Avenue, and we are cameraing the sewer line from the outside cleanout. Sewer line is PVC. Okay, at about 30 feet out, water starts to flatten out. The line starts to flatten out. Hold a little bit of water here. Okay, and then we got a slight degree turn here. Okay, and then we got a transition from PVC to clay pipe. And here at 45 feet, we have a separation in the pipe. And it's at 45 feet, and I will locate exactly where that is on the property that I was able to get through. Here's another joint here, looks pretty good. Line's a little flat out here in the street, 58 feet. There. Lots of roots, and here is the tap. The tap connection is a little crippled here. It's got roots growing in, and it's broken on the left side there. This is only going to get worse and influence the line to continue to back up, so I definitely suggest getting this thing repaired, and I would repair it from where that first separation is to the tap. That would be the best suggestion on the repair for the sewer line, because it loses grade, the sewer line's holding water, and we have a bunch of roots growing in the clay line. I'm going to locate all the spots on the property. This video is over.